I'm on the verge of crying. Like, that's not a joke. Like, my eyes are welling up. Hey guys, it's Sam here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we got some more Red Velvet / Wendy. We just watched the Like Water MV, and man, what a amazing and practically perfect song. But this is When the Rain Stops live video, so we get killed with some live vocals. Let's go. I'm nervous, as I was with the other one, but I'm not gonna stall. So let's just get into it. Yeah, man. Okay, this aesthetic right here, just her sitting in like a bar, you know, quote unquote bar, a small club, whatever you want to call it. The table that turned up because obviously no one can really go anywhere or anything. But this could be seen as like a after the night is over, or before anybody gets there, like rehearsal thing. But let's go. I don't know where I'm going with anything right now. I'm still honestly kind of shook from from Like Water, with just how good it was. God damn, her voice. Dude, like, Wendy, come on, man. Like, first, the lyrics. It's okay to stop like this and take a break sometimes, you know. Everyone has a tomorrow. But like the way that she does these little rises and breaks in her voice, like, oh, it's so good. Oh, the music is really good too. Who composed this? Because this is beautiful. Who composed the whole album? I haven't even got to the other songs yet, but who composed the whole album? Because if these two were any indication of what the other three are like, God bless. You know, like, because this part right here in the piano, so good. Dissonance. 볼 수 있었던 많은 것들 가려진 그곳 그 안에 나만을 기다려준 많은 목소리들 너의 모든 게 빛나고 있어 한 번 더 내게 말해주면 정말 다시 그렇게 될 것만 같아 안아주고 싶어 지쳤던 나를 이제 알려주고 싶어 내가 가진 모든 것을 이렇게 가끔은 멈춰간 때도 okay.
내가 다시 뛰어가면 돼 이제 난 다시 한번 날 들려주기 위해 Breathe again 널 알아주고 싶어
I'm on the verge of crying. Like, that's not a joke. Like, my eyes are welling up. If anything, I think it's tears of joy, honestly. Like, this is just so fucking good. And if you think we're not rewinding all of that, you're fucking out of your mind. She absolutely fucking kills this whole run.
다시 한번 날 들려주기 위해 Breathe again 널 알아주고 싶어 누구 다시 한번 날 들려주기
Also listen for something real quick. Pretty much just confirms something that I'll talk about at the end. Her runs are so good. Her runs are so good. I'm serious. Whoever came up with the arrangements for at least these two songs and potentially the rest of the album, bravo for you on that too, because these arrangements are beautiful. Just piano and voice, and it was fucking incredible. So this wasn't quote unquote completely live. Like, it was a live video, but it was, they were using the audio from the recording, which is fine. What I was checking when I went back for a minute was to see if there was any hints of auto-tune. Surprise, there weren't. The only effects on her voice are compression and a little of like a reverb more than anything else, which the reverb is present through the entire song, so it's not like something they added just on the high notes to kind of hide any lack of stability or anything. That it's there the entire song. If anything, the reverb kind of gets pulled back when she goes on that high note, as far as when she gets on the again and rises it up. But I legit, like, my eyes were watering. I'll say that. I didn't officially cry, but like these two songs, we'll get to the rest of the album. I don't know, soon. I'll say soon. I'm not gonna promise tomorrow or anything like that, but soon. Incredible, just simply incredible. Honestly, like, this is how you do fucking solo work from a group, right? Like, I don't know that this could have been any more perfect for Wendy. I really don't. Like, if you think that these could have been any better to showcase Wendy, let me know, because I honestly don't think they could have done. Like I said, I've only heard 2 of the 5 songs now. I don't think they could have done anything better to promote who she is as an artist with these 2 songs, how they were done here. But either way, let me know what you guys thought about this one. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Cheers to you guys, and we'll see y'all in the next one.